नमस्कार. गोमंतक टीव्हीच्या साष्टीकार्य कार्यावळीत तुमचे येवकार. आल्बर्ट आइन्स्टाइन हाणें एक म्हणून दवरिल्लें आसा, लायफ इज लायक रायडिंग अ बायसिकल. टू कीप युअर बॅलन्स यू मस्ट कीप मुवींग. सो हे सांगपाचें आज कारण म्हणजे आज संवसारीक बायसिकल डे आनीक ह्या वर्साची ह्या बायसिकल डेची थीम आसा की सायकलिंग फॉर सस्टेनेबल फ्युचर. आनी हे हाजेर आमी ह्या दिसाचेर चर्चा करपाक आमचे मदीं आपल्यात फ्रांसीस रोड्रिगीस. फ्रांसीस येवकार तुका. आनीक फ्रांसिसाची वळख करून दिवपाक जाल्यार फ्रांसिसाक सगळे एक मडगांवांतलो एक नांवाजतो एंटरप्रिनर म्हणून वळखतात सगळे, पूण ताजे परसूय एक तो हांगा जे साश्टी रायडर्स म्हणून सायकल क्लब आसा ताजो फावंडर. तुका सगळ्यां पयलीं वर्ल्ड बायसिकल डेची परबीं. आनीक म्हाका एक सांग की ह्या वर्साची जी थीम आसा ऑफ बायसिकल डे, इट्स अ सायकलिंग फॉर सस्टेनेबल फ्युचर. सो कितें दिसता तुका सद्याक आतां जर सिच्युएशन पळयलें जाल्यार सायकलिंगाक लोक येतात कितें आसा?
सायकलिंग म्हणजे पयलीं बिफोर कोविड इतलो क्रेज नाहलो. आफ्टर कोविड की जालें, लायक ड्युरींग कोविड ऑल्सो एंड आफ्टर कोविड ऑल्सो द हेल्थ कॉन्शियस मातशे चड जाले लोक. एंड सिन्स इट इज नॉट लो क्लोज game, it is you can ride separately,
individually you can
ride. There's a reason the craze got up for cycling all over India, not only in Goa. So it's a low impact aerobic exercise. It's more of a cardio. Of course your lower body also becomes strong. There's a reason, plus you are with the greenery, with the nature. So people started loving cycling and it got more boost to cycling after COVID.
So सध्या गोंयांत कितले अशे आसतले क्लब, कितले आसतले, व्हॉट इज द कितले रायडर्स आसतले
गोंया? आतां मडगांवूच म्हाका दिसता अराउंड 400-500 रायडर आसतले.
ओके.
आमच्या क्लबान अराउंड 200-250 रायडर्स आहात. प्लस देर आर 3-4 क्लब्स if I'm not mistaken here in South Goa. Plus Vasco ha, Panjim ha. So like Hazarani, it's not possible to say how many riders are there, but Hazarani riders ha. And all are health conscious.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is main म्हणटरे सध्या कितली आता आमची बिकॉज ऑफ आवर लायफस्टायल जी दुयेंसां इतली वाडटा, स्पेशली जे बीपी जावं टायप असले टायप आसा, अटॅक्स येवपाचे आहा. सो ताजे हे जर पळयलें जाल्यार सायकलिंग फॉर सस्टेनेबल फ्युचर, आय थिंक दिस इज अ रायट थीम.
परफेक्ट.
एट दिस मुवमेंट. सो म्हाका एक जाणा पयलें फ्रांसीस, तूं कसो हातूंत आयलो हे सगळे सायकलिंग आनी हातूंत भितर?
हांवें सायकलिंग स्टार्ट केला अराउंड 12 वर्सां पयलीं. म्हजेन 8 किलोमीटर सायकल चलोवपाक जायनाली. भिरांत दिसताली की कोलवा वचोन येवपाक आवयस. देन आमचो ग्रूप जालो and we started cycling 8 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 20 kilometer. तशें करून आमी 600 kilometers we have done in 40 hours, if I'm not, 40 hours. Between 40, before 40, earlier to 40 hours, 39, 30, this, we have done 600 kilometers also. So for every beginner, it is like, wow, man, ashe dista lokank. But once you start, I think so you can ride at any this.
So especially you are Sashti riders, I think it's a talk of the town type of club.
Yes.
So how it has started, who has started it, and what activities you are doing?
See, actually we 4 of us are the founder of Xaxti riders. Our leader is architect Samir Nadkarni.
Okay.
Who is the guy who gave the boost. And we thought 4 of us will start a club called Xaxti Riders, registered club. And then slowly, with interest, people started joining. And it has gone to say around our club. It's a registered club under cooperative society. It's around more than 300. 300, 400 also, I think so.
And what is the age group of this riders?
That's all. Now the age group is like, we have children of 8-10 years also, 10 years, but they have to be accompanied by the parents.
Okay.
With helmet, light and everything compulsory.
Okay. So both of them should ride?
Yes, he has to take care of the child.
Okay.
So say from children of 10-12 years till 70 also, there are people who are riding 70-80 years old.
And 70 and 80 चे जे म्हणतात ते how frequently they are riding, what type of riding they are doing, what distance they cover?
See, more is our style is endurance cycling.
Yeah.
We are not into racing. We do racing, means we ride fast, but we are endurance riders, wherein we support the new riders. Suppose tomorrow if you come, you tell me, Francis, I'm not able to ride that much, then we'll support you. We'll be coming with you. We'll give you the techniques, the style of riding and all that.
Okay.
So it is told, like when you become old, you don't stop cycling. When you stop cycling, you become old.
Okay. Yeah. So now, this you are saying that आमचे जे आसा पळय ज्येष्ठ नागरीक म्हणटात पळय 60 क्रॉस केल्ले इवन तूं कसो 60 क्रॉस करा फोटो दिसना पूण म्हाका एक 70-80 आसात ते कितले हाऊ मच distance they cover per day?
Minimum 25-30 is they do. 30 kilometers is the basic what they do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So म्हणजे मडगांव सावन कॅप सावन परत येवपाचें?
Yes. थोडे आहा they climb Chandrashwar also.
Okay.
70 years old man, they climb Chandrashwar. We have many ladies who are doing that.
Okay.
It's all on practice.
Yeah.
You cycle every day, you become expert, become a good rider.
And what is your routine in this cycling? Because I was to introduce you are a busy businessman. So time is money for you. So how you take that? Kitli work you ride per day?
See, people say I don't have time for fitness. My only question to them is, like, you lays in the bed till 8 o'clock, morning 8 a.m. See, you can get up at 4:30 also, 5:30 also, 6 o'clock also.
Okay. So
my personal schedule is like this. I get up at 4:30.
Okay.
I get up at 4:30 and I'm out by 5:45. So that waste time what was there, I'm utilizing for my health and my fitness.
Okay.
So it is a lame excuse that I don't have time is not the statement.
Okay.
Not the statement.
So if you have a wheel, then you can.
Of course. We have been doing it.
Yeah. So एक तुझे फकत तू हांगचेच न्ही गोंयाकच न्ही इवन तू सायकल घेवन भायल्या हातूंत गेला सो दॅट एक्सपिरियन्स कॅन यू शेअर विथ अस मिन्स कशें हांव पयलीं म्हणटा भायर वचपाक कितलें कित्याक वॉट इज द
See, actually, BRM म्हणून असता. In the initial stage, 7 वर्सां पयलीं आमी केलें. I have done BRM with my group. I and architect Samir Nadkarni met 2 guys who rode together. We started from Panjim to Penne, Penne to Hubli, Hubli to Belgaum, Belgaum to Sankeshwar, Sankeshwar back to your Anmod to Penne, Penne to Panjim. This comes in 600 kilometers. It comes 600 kilometers, but there is again a sword on your head. You have to finish within 40 hours. 40 वरां पयलीं तुवें कंप्लीट करपा जाय, नाल्यार you will be DNF. That is, did not finish. So आमी successfully we have done that BRM. It is called SR. Once you do BRM, that is 200, 300, 400 and 600 in a calendar year, then you are given a degree like SR, super endonier. So we are super endoniers. So comes easy to us.
So कसो आशिल्लो हो तुमी हो जो आसा म्हणजे दिसाक कितले हें करतले हांव कितले बसून तुवें कवर केले कितले वरांनी कशें जस्ट म्हाका
40 वरां भितर तुका 600 करपाक जाय.
What was your
Our strategy is all like
when you started from at what time you started from Panjim?
Gets up in the early morning at 6 a.m.
It
starts at 6 a.m. all the BRMs. and then we have a set time, this point, because you have to take out the selfie and show that we have reached that point.
Okay.
In front of ATM or a hotel or something. So we had this, like this time we have to reach Hubli, this time we have to reach Belgaum. And then if at all you reach early, you should not waste time there also.
Okay.
Why? Because tuka puncture zali, technical problems zale, tu sandlo. So we adjust that time without sleep. Sleep also half an hour we sleep. We don't waste time. And then come successfully.
So Francis, तू म्हणता की so full night एक निघनास्ताना what हे करपाचं टूर करपाचं कसं हे करता तुम्ही?
No. I told you that 40 वरा भितर तू करपाक जाय. It is up to you how you adjust your time.
Okay.
अशें नी निघना म्हणून नी. 1 hour we slept. 1.5 hour you can sleep. But you have to be always thinking that we have to finish this within this stipulated time.
Okay.
So successfully you have to plan.
Okay.
You have to plan your ride. Bad luck, something technical thing which is not in our hands, then you are DNF. That's this.
Okay, but असले कितले केल्यात तुवें? How many this type of rides you have done?
200, 300, 400 आम्ही खूप केला. आम्ही तर खूप केला. Only the SR, that is super engineer, in 1 year, that is 200, 300, 400, 600, I've done only once.
Okay.
Only once.
So it should be first you have to do 200, then 300, then 400 type. अच्छा काय? Anything तू कशा करता आता?
Not
2 to 6 your races तुवें एक वर्सां हे करता. Means the riding तुझे तू केलें स्पेशली म्हाका सांग तू डेली आता तू म्हणटा आपण एक कितले किलोमीटर हे करता तू रायड?
30-35 average every day.
So this is including rainy days, because rains असता तो सतत पावस पडत म्हणल्यार तुका ते जाता ऍक्टिव्हिटीज बंद जाता ते जाता. So even in the rains you continue your
Rain is fun in Goa,
okay,
especially for cyclists.
Okay.
People think like, it is sun and sand. It is not. If you see hinterlands of Goa, you are from that side, Sangye side. Okay, if you see that place, it's fun to ride in rains. And probably I'll say people who are not riding in summer probably are making more rides in the rain.
Because of pleasant weather.
Pleasant weather, with the nature, with the green. So it's beautiful. You experience it, you come to know.
So what type of experiences you have came across in this type of way? Can you share some?
See, one thing is you are with the nature.
Yeah.
Your mindset becomes so nice. You feel so, happy after a ride. And again, it gives you dividends of your health. As I told you, you are taking your heart for a ride.
That too in the fresh air.
Fresh air.
Yeah.
The heart will be happy. Your knees are happy. All that ailments, what you said, like pressure and this and that, gayab.
Okay. Tuka किती स्वतः फायदा झाला असा?
See, fitness makes you feel steady and confident. So one day we don't ride, or one day I don't do any activity, you feel like, आज किती झालंय.
तू म्हणटालो की आपल्या धोपराक त्रास जातलो, so that तो कसो how you came across?
म्हाका नी प्रॉब्लेम आहा आनी आहलेले पयलीं सिवियर. म्हाका वॉक करपाक जायनासलें. I cannot run. म्हाका वॉक करपाक I was putting that नी ब्रेस घालून हांव वॉकिंग करतलो. Somebody told me like, cycling kar. I started cycling. Touch wood. I have got no knee pain now.
Okay.
And many doctors also are telling, not the impact this slow, but it's a steady riding gives your knee this bye.
Okay. This cycling is not only the exercise it is also a connect of people.
Yes.
Connect of group.
Yes.
So, and that is, I think, the main in the World Bicycle Day is meant for that only. Means connecting, not only exercise only. So, connect your group, connect your community. So, कशें तूं जेन्ना स्पेशली भायर वता लोकां कडेन कनेक्ट कशें जाता, लोक कशे आसता भायले तुका तूं वळखी नासतले लोक तुका मेळटा तेन्ना कितें एक्सपिरियन्स आसता?
See, it is called camaraderie. आमचे सारखे आता for example Sashti riders आता. It is not named as Sashti Rider Cycling Club. It is called Sashti Rider Family.
Okay.
It is family.
Yeah.
Okay. Now one more thing is we have an app called Strava, like Facebook असतात. Like this Strava असतात. द स्ट्रावाचेर पीपल गिव यू कुडोस, थंय लायक मारता तेचे हांगा कुडोस मारता. हुंच्यानी आय हॅव गॉट सो मेनी पीपल फ्रॉम, वी हॅव नॉट सीन देम, बट इफ एट ऑल दे आर इन गोवा एनी टाइम, they will call us, they want to see us, they want to ride with us. So like that, vice versa. Probably we go that side to their place. Then the friendship and this develops. That's how it is happening.
So it's not only a means एकच जागेचेर रावपाचें न्ही. Now this has been spreading towards.
Yes, everywhere.
एक कथा म्हाका आतां आमचे आमी काबार करता आसतना एक म्हाका तें जाय की मेन म्हणटा ते सद्याक तूं म्हणटा आतां लोक येतात आनीक ह्या वर्साचो जो हे आसा थीम आसा ओन्ली बिकॉज दॅट आमची लायफस्टायल जी आतां बसून पयलीं चलताले आतां तें जायना, फकत बसून आहा, ताका लागून सायकलींग हें मस्ट म्हणून. तुका जर आज अशें जर सगळेच जर सायकलिंगाक आयले अशें करया, आमी एक हायपोथेटिकली हें करया, वॉट चेंज कॅन इट मेड जाता दिसता तुका, कितें जावपाक शकता सगळेच जर सायकलिंगाक इनवॉल्व जाले?
See, main is it is zero carbon footprint. That is the advantage. We don't let carbon. We are using steam of our own and do this. So पर्यावरण म्हणटा ते like पर्यावरण म्हणटा तुगेले safe झाले. Second important is health. You see so many heart attacks, so many diabetes, so many pressure, so many knee problems. This everything will be, I'm not a doctor, but I'm myself experienced, I'll tell you that yes, cycling is, because it is a low impact sport. It's not like utabashi maro, gym maro, it's a low impact sport, so it is nice on your body also. So that's the reason from young to old anybody can ride.
So आता आम्ही जेन्ना ही आमची भासाभास कंक्लूड करता आसतना तुका जर यंगस्टर्साक जर कितें सांगपाक जाय, what you would like to say?
See, we ride every day at 5:45. We'll meet there at Bolshe Circle. So everybody is welcome. And there is no need that you don't know cycling or you are not good at cycling. We are there to help. So especially this generation with the mobiles and laptops, it will not. Yes, you have to dedicate some time. But come out.
But is it अनेक हे आसा now cycling is a costly game म्हणून, so ते आसा काय even you can with your normal cycle you can do it.
10,000ची 18,000 20,000ची सायकल हा, they are very decent, very good, you can ride. Some people are having costly cycles. It's like, it's not a costly sport as such. Yes, of course, but it depends on person to person how he wants to spend his money on the cycle. But anybody decent enough 10,000-15,000 rupees cycle also. It is not the cycle rider taking you far. It is the cycle takes you far. So no, don't roda halle puro mare. Ani kide ati tesli hi-fi जाय म्हणून गरज ना. Yeah.
So ही आमी चर्चा थांबयत आसतना एक उतरान जर कितें सांगपाक जाय सायकलिंगा बद्दल जाल्यार कितें सांगता तूं?
Come join us in the morning at 5:45 every day. Come rain, come shine. At Bolshe in the morning, we are there to support you.
So ह्या ताजेर आमी ही आमची चर्चा थांबयतात. देव बरें करूं.
Thank you.
आनीक आज ही स्पेशली हो आमचें डिस्कशन करपाचें कारण म्हणजे की तुझ्या कडल्यान तुझे एक्सपिरियन्सीस आयकून जर आनीक जर कोण फुडें आयले तर तूं म्हणटा अशी कम्युनिटी वाडत वचपाक जाय. बिकॉज ओन्ली आपल्याले जे हेल्थाचे कॉन्शियसनेस आसा ते सगळे सारखे आहा, बट ताजे आसतना मेन म्हणटा ते तूं म्हणटा अशें पर्यावरण हे जावपाक शकता. तिसरें आमची इतले फ्युअल कॅन बी सेव्ड. आनीक जर तुका जर हे जालें आपल्याले संवय जाली, आजच आमी एक रिपोर्ट केला की फॉर 51 डेजाक 116 people died on the road. So this हेही एक्सटेंड जावपाचे हे उणें जावपाक शकता. सो आमी म्हणटात की होच आमी हो मेसेज घेवन आयच्या दिसाचो ही जी कार्यावळ आसा ती आमी थांबोवया. सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं. पळयत रावात गोमंतक टीव्ही.
देव बरें करूं.